Our Catholics in America poll finds immigration an important issue for just 13% of Catholic voters in the West. Right now, Arizona is heating up over a tight Senate contest, the race to replace retiring Senator Jeff Flake. Correspondent Jason Calvi joins us now from beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Lauren. I'm here in the heart of Arizona, where the Senate race here is bigger than the Grand Canyon state. It could help determine who takes control of the Senate. Two congresswomen are facing off: Democrat Kyrsten Sinema, Republican Martha McSally, and the Real Clear Politics average of polls has them neck and neck. Almost showtime for Kyrsten Sinema. The Democrat is the first member of Congress to say she has no religious affiliation. LGBT advocates say she shattered the lavender ceiling with her openly stated attraction to both men and women. She pitches herself as the bipartisan moderate Arizona wants.
I know that I will get stuff done.
But former Air Force fighter pilot Martha McSally is campaigning hard to land the Senate seat. The youngest of 5 children, McSally was valedictorian of her class at a Catholic school in Providence, Rhode Island. Now the retired colonel promises to get tough on immigration.
I'm working with President Trump to secure our border and keep Arizona families safe.
McSally wrote a bill with tougher penalties for those on the border who help guide people into the United States illegally. On immigration, Sinema was one of the few House Democrats to support bigger penalties for people deported multiple times. She says in the Senate, she would work for border security and citizenship for dreamers. The two candidates sparred on a range of issues in a debate last week.
Martha has a 98% voting record with her party and with her president, which I think demonstrates that she's not willing to do what's right for Arizona if the president's wrong on an issue.
McSally fired back.
I've gotten to know him over the last year and a half, and he loves America, and he is fighting for Americans every single day, and I'm going to keep working with him to provide more opportunities for all of us.
Democrats here in Arizona have not held the Senate seat since 1995, but this year, Democrats hope that they can rise triumphant from the flames of this hot race. Lauren?
Jason, you've been telling us about how pro-life groups are targeting these crucial battleground states that will determine the fate of the Senate. So what are they doing in Arizona?
They're doing exactly what we've profiled them doing in other states. They're knocking on doors. Susan B. Anthony List is out here, the Faith and Freedom Coalition. Both those pro-life groups are knocking on doors here in Arizona. And during the recent debate with Sinema, Martha McSally said she was in favor of defunding Planned Parenthood.
Capitol Hill correspondent Jason Calvi reporting from Phoenix, Arizona. Thank you, Jason.